Hello there. I don't have a selfie stick, so this is going to be a strange little video. I'm in the command center of my little enterprise. This is where I do my evening reports to the clients, telling them what I've done to their bike that day. And this is unusual because it's an introduction to the video that follows, that is appended to this. A friend of ours, a friend of Kevin and mine, bought an old 441 Victor BSA race bike. And that bike had been sitting probably in a basement or a barn for about 40 years, cruded up with dirt, and hadn't been run ever since. And apparently the reason was that somebody, not knowing old British bikes are positive ground, put a battery in it backwards and fried the whole ignition system. Well, actually fried the whole wiring harness. So my friend bought this bike and asked Kevin and I if we'd get it running, and we did today. So the video that follows shows the first start. It was fun. We had a ball, and I went a little crazy at the beginning of the video, for which I apologize. But so this is a lead into the following video. We got a used but rebuilt carburetor because the old one was so crudted up I just didn't want to fool with it. We cleaned the points, checked the timing. The timing was dead on. We took the whole throttle and throttle cable completely apart, cleaned it out, adjusted the tension on the throttle cable, got a nice throttle working, and that's about it. Carburetor, ignition, fresh oil. And then we hooked it to a battery. We hooked the battery directly to the ignition system, basically positive to ground and the negative to the coil, ignition side of the coil. And we decided the objective was to make the bike pop spit, just some indication that it would be willing to run. So when we got it all ready to try, we didn't necessarily expect that it was going to run. And it did, and scared us. I mean, it popped to life so fast. It was like the second or third kick, and it just came to life. We were really happy. So anyway, this is the lead into that to let you know why I got excited at the beginning of the following video. And wasn't planning on actually posting this video, but everybody says it's a lot of fun, so it'll follow here. That is all. We had a good time doing it, and I hope you see the fun we had. God damn! Come and get it! Oh, I wish I hadn't cursed then, but
No, that's
that
all
was
right.
fun. This bike hasn't turned over, and I can't tell you how many years. I'm over at Kevin's shop, and that was the first start, and we've even got a battery lashed to it. No ignition other than battery going straight to the coil, and we did the throttle, we did the throttle cable, we did the throttle assembly, and basically got it ready to go. It's running on an IV system, and I'm sorry, but that was a lot of fun to hear that sucker fire up.